we are going to configure hosting service in Citrix Studio, the VMware hosting service. We are able to configure multiple hosting service in a studio. Let's go ahead and see it. Click on hosting, click on add connection and resources. We are using VMware vSphere, so that's what we need to select. If you have other services, you can choose it from here and you can able to configure it. The cloud services also you can see over here, Amazon, the Microsoft Azure, you would able to configure. Okay, so cloud platform, so you would able to configure multiple hosting services in Citrix platform. Okay, so right now we have VMware installed on our local machine, so we are going to select this one, VMware vSphere. Okay, now connection address, it is asking for the connection address, so we will open this window and we need to copy the address of our VMware URL. You can see the format. Okay, so https :/, then the URL /SDK. So same format we need to use, /SDK, https : username Citrix admin. From where I'm putting this username Citrix admin? Look at, I logged in with administrator@vsphere.local. Okay, so that's okay, but if we have account in domain which we are using for VMware administration, that too we can able to use it over here, Citrix admin and the password. Let's see if that is working. Of course that is working, so I'll use the same user ID and password, connection name VMware. The next, of course we are using what, the machine creation service. Just click on this one, trust certificate, say okay. The next window will come up to select the storage. We really don't have the shared storage, shared hypervisor, so we need to use this one. Okay, use storage local hypervisor. We need to browse the cluster. And we just have one single cluster. So next, data store 1, we have just one disk inside VMware. Say next. Next, finish. One thing you can keep in mind, if you not configure hosting service in Studio, you won't able to perform any single task in it. Why? Because if there is no hosting service, what you gonna do? Okay, so hosting service is compulsory to create the MCS, machine creation service.